Ni.
Kau surprise dia. Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak dua biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kejongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper. Kadon ke degree course, ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Because there are 10 villages, they have got a separate headwind. So no one
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.